Assistant Commissioner of Police in Telangana has been found to have assets worth 70 crore in the local market. The government value of properties found so far is put at 7.5 crore. Let's go across to Uma for more. And Uma, the Anti-Corruption Bureau is investigating. Also, raids were conducted.
Yes, indeed, at 25 different locations all over Telangana and also Anantapur district in Andhra Pradesh. Of course, it used to be a combined state, and therefore the influence of this particular person in the police department would have extended there as well. What we understand is that at least in 6 locations in Hyderabad, the raids were conducted. In fact, at the Mahindra Hills residence, which is less than about 2 kilometers from where I am, that's where his residence is. And what they have found is assets worth over 70 crore rupees for an officer of the rank of Assistant Commissioner of Police. What we are being told is that he had also worked as Uppal Circle Inspector, and at that time as well he was known to have indulged in certain land deals and land settlements, as they call it, which are of course illegal, and what it means is that money is taken for settling the land titles and disputes between different people as well. What they have now found is 55 acres of agricultural land in Anantapur district. You're also talking about nearly 2,000 square yards of land right opposite the cyber towers in Hi-Tech City. There are also plots of land, at least 2 plots of land, and there was commercial property as well, which is a ground plus 3 commercial property. There were residential houses, plots. How much land does a man need is a chapter in the intermediate, which is in fact just dropped from their syllabus because of the COVID right now. But that's a question that officers like this man perhaps need to address because of the kind of land and properties that they seem to hold. And what is really worrying, Gargi, is that even as the government is come up with a new revenue law, which was just passed in the just concluded assembly session, saying that they are going to clean up the revenue administration department. And prior to that, we had seen Mandal revenue officers with crores of rupees, and all of them with illegal assets worth crores of rupees. How this police system also is going to get cleaned up is going to be a big question, because the government is claiming that the new Revenue Act was to help in reducing the corruption in the registrations department, in the revenue department, and in the kind of corruption that seems to happen when land mainly is involved. So this searches against this officer right now still continuing, and what we are being told is that his arrest is also likely, as already the Disproportionate Assets Act has already been invoked. That law has been invoked. And what is even more worrying is that the raids in some of the relatives, that seems to lead up to some politically influential persons in Hyderabad as well. Of course, we will not be able to name any of the names that we are right now hearing. But yes, we can expect more follow-up on this one. Back to you.